feeling overwhelmed by the intricacies of Facebook ads? Frustrated by the lack of results? You're not alone. Many businesses find themselves in the same predicament, but I'm here to change that. Hailing all the way from Dhaka, Bangladesh, I've mastered the art of Facebook advertising, and I'm ready to share my expertise with you. Step 1 on this journey is creating targeted ad campaigns. This isn't about casting a wide net and hoping for the best. It's about honing in on your ideal audience, reaching out to them when they're most receptive. With a laser-focused approach, your ads will be seen by the right people at the right time. Next, we'll dive into high-converting ad copy. This isn't just about writing, it's about crafting a compelling narrative that resonates with your target audience. It's about creating a call to action that doesn't just ask for a click, but compels it. With a well-crafted message, your ads won't just be seen, they'll drive conversions. Then comes the crucial task of budget optimization. Throwing money at a problem rarely solves it. What you need is a strategic approach to your ad spend. I'll help you manage your budget effectively, ensuring every penny is put to good use. The goal? Maximizing your return on investment. Finally, we'll delve into the world of data-driven insights. In the age of information, data is king. But it's not just about collecting numbers. It's about interpreting them, understanding what they mean for your business, and adjusting your strategy accordingly. I'll provide you with regular reports and actionable insights to keep your campaign on track and constantly improving. And as a bonus, I offer a free consultation to discuss your specific needs and goals. Because at the end of the day, this isn't about me, it's about you and your success. So why choose me? The answer is simple. I offer proven results, expert knowledge, and dedicated service. I've helped businesses in Bangladesh and beyond reach their marketing goals through effective Facebook advertising. I stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices, and I'm committed to your success every step of the way. So, are you ready to take your Facebook advertising to the next level? The power to revolutionize your business is just a click away. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today. Your future self will thank you.